Indy, welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how glass bottles are made, step by step.
Intense heat inside the furnace melts the raw materials, turning them into this glowing liquid glass that flows like lava.
We've got an imbalance in the thermal readings.
I'm initiating the auxiliary cooldown sequence. It's stable now. Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
The molten stream is captured in stunning macro detail, showcasing the intense heat and the beginning of its transformation into
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how glass bottles are made, from start to finish.